The GPT model has a new competitor. Google just released Gemini 3, and they claim it's their most intelligent model ever. Let's get to the facts. The Gemini 3 model is key due to its enhanced reasoning and multimodal capabilities. This means it better understands complex data, charts, and various media simultaneously. For coders and analysts, there's the Deep Think mode for Ultra subscribers, which pushes the boundaries of solving the most complex problems. You can now use Gemini 3 in the app, AI Studio, and Vertex AI. SYNAPSE recommendation. For business and enterprise, this is a sign that you must explore API integration. The competition in AI is accelerating, and this model offers us significant benefits. Gemini 3 is essential for breakthrough professional automation and strategic planning. Implement this new model now to elevate your workflow and secure your competitive edge. Ready to turn pro AI news into profit? Click the link below to explore the tools and subscribe for your fresh Synapse AI Pro updates.